CS organization has the luxury of having a separate onboarding team. Luckily at MongoDB we do. And I think that if you don't have an onboarding team, creating a process or playbook or, crafted kind of material that can be used across the organization. And we certainly do that at MongoDB. We have playbooks that are used both by the dedicated and the onboarding team. And there are certain milestones that are hit and ensured that are done, such as obviously the client kickoff, having, like a value discussion and those sorts of things. And so I think that onboarding is obviously key. I'm biased. Obviously, I handle an onboarding team. We want to make sure that the client's getting the most traction and having an excellent customer experience at the beginning of their journey. And obviously maintaining that experience as they hand over to the scale team and making sure that they're getting the value from their subscription. And so I think that having a process or playbook, even if you don't have an onboarding team, enables the client to be successful long term.